Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David. Good morning, Boos.
Good morning.
Coffee. We are in St. Martin. Oh my goodness. So yesterday we were out and about and totally forgot to bring the camera. But it's fine in a way because we couldn't really film. I mean, I guess we could, but it would be really awkward filming Chef's Table, which turned out to be so. Chef's Table, which there was like the first hiccup, like without going into it like too crazy, like more or less they didn't know we were coming.
Yeah.
Because not because of Shane's, right? It wasn't Shane's issue at all. It was them. There was some sort of miscommunication. It worked out. It's fine. More importantly, after that we went.
Yeah, we went to the Aqua 80 show, and it was honestly the best show I've seen on a cruise ship ever.
In my entire life.
In my entire life. It was so good. You will be surprised at what they can pull off.
I mean, it's like one of the most incredible shows I've ever seen. It is the best show I've ever seen on a cruise ship, but it is one of the most incredible shows I think in that style I've ever seen ever. It is comparable to like if you've seen like it was comparable to a Cirque show, but I feel like more fun because it's 80s music, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, there are high dives, there are dancers, there are acrobats, and not even just high dives. I mean, oh, you can't even see. Yeah, but basically, like where that fish is, they're jumping from like up there and diving down. There's tightrope. There's what do they call it? Synchronized swimming. It was incredible. If you are so lucky that you get to be on this ship, drop everything. Like literally, because I'd heard about this. Even I heard about it, and knowing how incredible it was supposed to be, I still was not prepared. We literally left Chef's Table because they were running late. We left early. Like we didn't even have dessert. We were like, sorry, we've got to go because we have to see the show, and I do not regret it. It was incredible. So now breakfast, little waffles, little French toast.
It's gone already.
Oh, there's more. And then we're gonna go to Maho Beach. After that, we just went to, we just had like a drink, and then we came back. So yeah, that's kind of caught up. But we couldn't have filmed in Chef's Table anyway. It's this tiny little room, and like I can't imagine. They're constantly talking about like what wine they're giving you, and all. I can't imagine like just like hey stranger, I'm gonna film that. So yeah. Anyway, you're all caught up. We're gonna eat breakfast. Oh, here we go. Welcome to St. Martin. Oh. Yikes. Oh, take it all in, kids. The beauty. The beauty. The beauty. And the beast. Hi. Oh, yes. Hello. Oh, who's excited?
I should have done it here just to get you.
I have no idea what line this is.
Here we are.
It's not. Is it rotating? No. Yeah, wait. Of the seas. It's the it's the grandeur of the seas. It says it on their ramp. The grandeur of the seas, darling. Oh, this is the what are you waiting for? I love it. It's a little wind tunnel. Literally walked off and it's raining. Can you even? Can you even? Can you? I can't. Literally, we got off and it started pouring. I cannot. Look at Jerome. And look, there's Matt and Jason. Look, you can tell everyone from Florida, we were all like, this old squall. It's just a squall. It comes on you fast and it leaves you fast. Name that movie. Comment down below. We just got into the taxi. So when you get off, go to the right and behind the building, look for people with orange shirts. They will be the dispatch for taxis. Taxis are to Maho Beach. It's only $9 per person, so that's awesome. And it's super convenient and fast. So yeah, apparently it's is it a 30-minute ride to Maho?
9:35.
Well, yeah, like 35 minutes to Maho. Hopefully scenic and fabulous. I don't know, we'll see. Last time we were here, you know, we just did ATVs. So this is a different thing. If you didn't watch that video, make sure that you go back and subscribe. It's BoosCruize at BOSCRUIZ because you're worth it. An accident.
Been crazy.
Oh, yeah, everyone says it's like insane and this is one of the busiest ones. So
We should stop here and see how much they are to rent it.
oh yeah, no, we need some chairs and stuff. Yeah, this don't you want to?
Tickets are either 24 or 25 bucks.
Oh my gosh, guys, look, a plane's coming, a plane's coming. We gotta come over here in the center. All right, here comes one. Here it goes, here it goes. All right. Come on! It's actually really warm. It's actually really warm, guys. Ooh! Wow. Oh my gosh, there's like, oh, she's rough. She's a rough water. But she's warm. Ooh. Ah! Look at this incredible water. And this is, I love. Here we go. Everybody in! Everybody con! I'm coming! I'm a water baby! I'm a water baby! Woo! Like, there's a drop. Literally, like this goes from like you can touch to like.
I'm gonna take off my rings because I don't think it's gonna stay on.
Oh, well then. Oh, here's a small one. Here he comes. Come on. Oh my gosh. Heyo. Exactly. They must have to bring sand to this beach every day. Look at what it literally washed you.
It's because you're too far in.
You're too far in.
Further out.
Oh,
Unfortunately, you can't.
5 minutes late. This is a workout. This is great.
I'm over here panting.
Oh, but in like the best way.
Yeah. Well, sort of.
Oh, here comes a little. Oh.
Oh,
Is
look,
it?
another little guy.
Oh, hello.
Are you
Little plane.
It's just bad that there's no big plane coming in right now.
I don't. Well, we had the United one, but we weren't in the water.
Well,
They were
there
too
should be
big.
more, 'cause I know, like, I don't know what time it is. They have to posted.
Oh,
JetBlue and a...
comes a little mini. Hello. Oh, you little cutie. Oh, you have like 3 people in ya. There she is. There she is. All right, here she goes. The good thing is, I'm trying to get you directly under it. Oh, no, wait! No! Here she goes. No! Wait. Oh, here we go. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh no.
Here it goes. Oh, that's so good. Oh, look, she just threw her shit. Look, throwing her shoes to shore.
No.
Oh gosh, Jason would have so loved this. Guys, look at Jarrell's Cisco. Like what? He doesn't even. He can't see himself. He doesn't know exactly how much. Oh, he just hit my face.
Sorry.
Literally in my face. How much sand is on your head? It's completely covered.
Ugh.
Did you do your waves before you came?
No. I just took off my wave cap.
Well, you're gonna have a lot more in your wave cap next time you put it on.
Take a shower.
I don't think there is a shower. You will have to brush it in the shower to get this out. Wow. We're trying to figure out the, oh, someone's taking off. Oh, this is the jet blast. This is the jet blast because they got to get off. Come! Alright guys, here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Okay, that was an appetizer. Okay, do you see this one? It literally says, do not stand in danger. What is he doing? Not specifically careful. Not nice. Oh my god. Back. Oh my gosh, I had so much sand in my
They were standing there trying to look cute.
Oh
trying to look cute. They got
my gosh, I know. Okay, so we decided this time we were gonna that we were gonna stay in the water for a takeoff. Literally, it shot not only all the sand, but then all the water on the top skimmed and shot us in the face. And then everyone else, it was a mess. It was a mess. So, wow. Come on. Here we go. Okay, so we're trying to get you directly under because I haven't filmed a direct under shot. So I think we're good. I think this is it. Here we go. Over. Oh yes. Here it is. I'm gonna give you guys the full, well, unless I get knocked over completely by a wave, the full experience. Oh. Here it comes. Oh yeah, this is a big one. This is a big one. Come over, man. Big ones over the big ones. Oh yeah. Gotta come over. Okay. Here we go. Here it goes. Whoa! There's a big one. We're running. Oh no. There's a big one. We're running. It's a biggie. It's a big gal. Oh. Here it comes. My gosh. Russia TV over here. Whoa! Oh! Here we go! Delta! Delta! Okay, so it looks like there's two coming, which does not seem like it's FAA regulation. So I don't know how they're authorizing this. Okay, there's a drop off that is outrageous. Like it's like you're standing and then suddenly you have no footing whatsoever. What's gonna happen? Can they land both of these like back to back this close? We'll see. If not, I'll be selling this footage to the local news. Okay, there we go. Little puddle jumper. Island to island, I presume. Little duck. What is it? Duck wing? Wait, who's the launch pad? Launch pad. Tailspin. Little launch pad. Okay. And then they gotta apparently get out of the way because here she blows. Oh my goodness. There is just sun and sand and beauty and water. It's lovely. It's just lovely. Here we go. This looks like a jet. You can tell because they have the two big lights. Yeah, like a headlights. So today we've seen major airlines. We've seen United. We've seen Delta. We've seen American. We've seen JetBlue. Who are we missing? Alaska, oh, Southwest. Let's see. Who's she gonna be? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Here she comes. They're gonna be able to do it. Here she comes. Oh! JetBlue. So, I'm going to show you the takeoff from the water because it's insane. Watch.
I think you have to. Oh. That's been a small plane.
Well, that was quite the letdown, wasn't it? I'm embarrassed. Oh my gosh. Going this special, the beauty of St. Maarten. I love it.
Don't ask about the road because that question people often ask.
Yes, it is.
If it's a two, it's a one way. This is two way. We don't share the road, eh?
This is
You have to share?
two-way?
Yeah. Where do you go?
Well, we just
Into the bush?
We don't go into the bush, we just share it. Make space for each other, that's it.
Oh my gosh. And these are all private homes?
All private homes.
Oh, the mucky mucks.
Right there behind the mountain, the cooler breeze.
Oh my,
I'm going to show you a
that
view
would be
on any island you've been to, and if you have view different from that, but more beautiful than that, let me know.
That's literally. This is stunning already.
This is just a little.
Oh my gosh.
You haven't seen this yet.
This our ship.
There are many spots like this on the island. Take a look at it.
Look at this. Oh. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I was looking down.
Babe, you're in charge of pictures.
Take a look at it.
Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this incredible. That's our ship. We're the big one. We're the Oasis.
Where the fuck did I put
Beyond? What is that island beyond?
Do you have
St. Bart's.
St. Bart's. Oh my god.
Did I leave my cell phone?
You better not. You better have not.
Oh, well, I hope not.
Everybody
Oh
get a
my
picture?
gosh. Yes, it's stunning.
No.
This
Ew,
is
oh my
Jarrell's
I
head
need to get them more.
after.
I got this thing. It's perfect.
So there was much drama. We literally like got into the van. We were taking the most beautiful scenic route, and then Teresa was like, oh my god, my phone is gone, and she thought it was at the bar the entire time. And then this amazing guy, shout out to Tony. Actually, let me show you his card so that if you ever get to St. Maarten, he was so sweet. He literally called someone there and was like, can you look for her? And then he found her phone. Like, so Tony, I'm gonna show you this. Tony, he was amazing. If you're here, we're gonna leave him a review because he's that amazing. So yeah, we are now back to the ship. Look at that. Look how big the place is. It's just like, oh my gosh. Oh my gracious. How gigantic. Also, okay, here. Let me like give this little perspective to you guys. So do you see that? Let me see, let me turn it on. Do you see this portion? That is where they dive from. Up there. That tiny little innuendo of a platform. They dive from there. I can't. Crazy. Oh my gosh, guys. So we just got back. It's literally torrential downpouring. So we came back at the exact right time. Perfection personified. And now we're getting the fabulousness of a rainstorm in the Caribbean, but not having to be in it, which is even more fabulous. So, well, not this time. We've also, you know, we've had it multiple times. So we left it at the perfect time. I love it. The hot dogs. We have classic, chicken and apple, Cillian, onions.
Can I have a...
So we can't like record a ton in here because they're playing really loud music. In fact, it's Brandy.
Hey.
But it's a typical Johnny Rockets menu. We're just getting like a quick bite before dinner because we didn't eat lunch, and we kind of didn't eat that much breakfast. We were kind of going. But, so we both got like burgers and fries, which you probably won't. Burgers, and we're gonna share fries, which you probably won't finish. And we both got milkshakes. So I'll show you guys when it gets here. Jarrell got a.
I got a the regular burger.
Oh yeah, regular burger
with chili and cheese, and then I got Oreo milkshake.
Yeah.
An Oreo milkshake. So yeah.
I got the regular burger with burger with chili and cheese, and then I got
Is it called the fabulous burger?
I don't
Fabulous
know.
burger. I don't know. It's a regular burger though.
Right.
It comes with no cheese or anything. You have to add it.
Right. And then I got chili and cheese added to mine. And I got the black and white milkshake. And we are gonna share
The fries.
Yeah, fries.
If we have dinner in like literally an hour.
Right.
It's
Exactly.
change.
Exactly. So we're like,
And we just had a hot dog.
Yes. So yeah, we're gonna see what it gets. Our Johnny Rockets milkshake, and it's good that they're not like giant. How are they?
That's a good milkshake. Very good.
That's fantastic. Yeah. So we are on the Rising Tide bar.
We're about to
French
rise.
martini. There's a tide. She's rising. And there's a bar.